So what's up guys and welcome to another video. Today we are so so what's up guys and today welcome to another video, and today we are going to review my chess game part 3. Wait to So I had 6 great. I can't get brilliant. 22 best? Like, okay, let's do this. Opening is middle game is so his opening was my opening was okay. Let me start. Stop. Okay, there. So he go. So he goes there. I was thinking. I I moved my pawn there. He attacks. I, he attacks my pawn. I protect it with my knight. He moves his horse, and I thought I could like, I don't know. So I went there, attacking his horse. Then he moved it. We're still attacking. I don't know how. So I moved my queen there, threatening something. I don't know. I don't know. He moved. He moved his pawn there to attack my queen. I go there. He goes there. Wait, so could I don't do force. I attack the. I go there. Because they're checking me. I move there. Goes there. Dude, I don't know what to move. He goes there. I move there. Forgot to eat my roach. Nice for good. Spirited. So he attacks my. I forgot something, alright? And I forgot the horse could kill the queen. I forgot that the horse could kill the queen. I go to check. So you took the. I go to- He goes there. I take, take, check, check. Take. Check. 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 Take. Check. Check. I forgot. Check. 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 Take. And move there. Go there. Go there. Take. Check. See, I'm just moving my stuff. Yeah. Check him. Check. 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 Mate. Add it. So I will. Yeah, it always feels good to him. And goodbye. See you next time.